Hi Gomo, wish you a wonderful, joyous birthday. I just wanted to tell you a couple of things. It's been close to 2 decades that you have been tolerating me, and without you, life would have been extremely serious. In fact, you brought the kiddo Anand out of me. Else, my life would have been like an army style with no fun, revolving around Excel sheets, writing numbers, and planning and execution and operations. Okay, you have changed the complete turnaround in Anand Narayan. That's the great thing that you have done, and I also love the way you keep friendship and really maintain them and give a lot of respect to each individual's views and thoughts. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead, and I also thank each one of you, each one of them who have put their sweat into this.
Happy birthday, Gomati.
Happy birthday, Gomati.
Happy birthday, Komote.
Happy birthday to you, my sweet little sister. I wish I could celebrate with you today. நடக்கலை பார்க்கலாம், நம்ம எல்லாம் பிளான் பண்ணி நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் சேர்ந்து செலிப்ரேட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சாலும் நமக்கெல்லாம் சேர்ந்து பண்ணலாம். But enjoy your day. Have a good one. My prayers are always with you, Komu. Okay? All the best. Bye.
Happy birthday, Komate. We love you. அடுத்த வாட்டி ட்ரிவாண்ட்ரம் வரும்போது நல்லா ஜாலியா என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம். Thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything. Many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Gomani Andy. Wishing you a nice happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Gomse.
Komu, many more happy returns of the day. Have a great day and year ahead. May all your wishes come true. You have a very special place in our family. Thanks for being Attai for my kids. And finally, Mapale, thanks for giving this opportunity to wish Gomati in this way. Thank you.
Hi Gomo. Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead and have fun.
Hi, Gomu. Happy birthday.
ഹായ് ബർത്ത്ഡേ ഗേൾ, ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ. ഒത്തിരി സന്തോഷമുള്ള, ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും നടത്താൻ പറ്റുന്ന ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വർഷമാവട്ടെ. വിഷ് യു ഓൾ ദ ഹാപ്പിനെസ് ആൻഡ് ലോഡ്സ് ഓഫ് ലവ്. ബൈ.
Hi, Komu. Many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Gomade, love you so much. Wishing you a wonderful birthday this year.
Surprise! A very, very, very happy birthday, Gomu Chesi. May all your wishes come true. I know it's another apple on the sun, but you know what? Just keep rocking the way you are and don't let the child in you vanish. And we all miss you, and I want to see you again. Meet the kids, meet Anandana and everybody. Hope it happens soon. And until then, enjoy the days. Bye bye. Keep smiling.
Happy birthday, Komu. Many more happy returns of the day. Thank you. நீங்கள் எனக்கு நிறைய டிப்ஸ்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்க. நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் ட்ரிவாண்ட்ரம் வரும்போது மீட் பண்ணலாம். Very happy birthday to you.
Hi Ka, wish you a very happy birthday. Many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Gomati. Very happy birthday. Hope you and your family are doing well. So, Gomati, I think ரொம்ப வருஷம் ஆகிடுத்தேன். I think 10-12 வருஷம். I think it is almost 12 years with something which no connect we had. But one thing I can tell you, Gomati, you always have been a support for me. Pillar of support, I can say. Because in a time limit, I think I always used to actually trouble you, and you always used to rather give me that shoulder. I think that is what always you have been for me. As a friend, I can say that a friend can always be there at a good time, but I think you have been part of both my good times as well as my bad times. That is what you are for me. Thanks, Anand. I think you took time to reach out to me also. In case this video reaches to you on time, I will be very happy for it. I'm sorry I took time for actually sending this video. Otherwise, it's a great journey. I think என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் I think my good times, I think I've spent time with her. She has been a great friend of mine, a partner to crime also, right? So I think sometimes what happens is time flies away. I think we'll have to remember back the relationship, right? So I think today when I look back, I think it's all actually a testament to the fact that relationships tend to be stronger, and there's a proof which is today is this video. I think thanks Gomati, and stay blessed and have a great birthday. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Hey Goms, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, dear. Party hard. Okay, take care. This time, happy birthday from Kerala's own Switzerland, Muna. Bye bye.
Hi Gomu, many more happy returns of the day, dear. You are not only my best friend, you are my true friend. Actually, I have learned how to maintain a friendship from you, means good friendship from you. May God bless you with good health and lots of happiness in your life. Once again, happy birthday, Gomu.
Happy birthday, Gomti auntie.
Happy birthday, Gomu.
Many happy returns of the day, Gomati.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gomati auntie. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Gomati auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Komota. Have a wonderful birthday filled with joy and happiness.
Happy birthday, Komu. Have a fabulous birthday and stay blessed forever.
Many more happy returns of the day, Komu. Have a wonderful birthday and blessed year ahead. I would like to mention a couple of good qualities about you. You are always a selfless person. Friends, you always stood up and you always stand up for them. It's an amazing quality you always carry. Keep it up. And a couple of things. Now, some of the events I would like to recall. And Kotapati Atla, cheat you always run away from that place, you know. And I பார்த்த பக்கத்துல உட்காரத்துக்கே பயப்படுவேன், ஓடி போயிடுவேன். எதுக்குன்னு தெரியாது, பட் ஓடி போயிடுவேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் உன்னை சீட்டு விளையாடும்போது சேர்த்துக்கவே மாட்டோம். பிகாஸ் நீ ஜூனியர், நீலாம் விளையாட லாய்க்கு இல்லாத ஆளு சொல்லி we used to push you away from that place. Sorry about that. அதெல்லாம் I always cherish those memories. Anyways, have a wonderful birthday and God bless you. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Gomti.
Many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day from my end as well.
You remember, it's been almost like 15 years we met each other.
Yes. And thanks to Mohit and Gayatri's friendship, it's been 15 years. I think you followed us in Chennai and then you followed us in Pune as well. I think.
And we hope to see you in Gurgaon as well.
So both of you have been a lovely couple, you and Anand, and you are an inspiration in terms of supporting each other during challenging times as well. I think Anand is lucky to have you, and I think Leela cannot forget the song.
Yeah.
In 2016 in Pune at home.
31st night party time.
When you played a song for Anand. I think so. I think that shows true love for you. I think keep happy, stay laughing and smiling, and keep up the same energy levels. I think Gayatri is again blessed to have parents like you. Wish you happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday once again, Gomti.
Happy birthday, Gomti.
Hi, Gomati. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy
May
birthday.
God bless you. Thank you.
Hi Komota. Happy birthday. How are you? Do you remember the time when you came down to Chennai and we had a blast there? We were having a stuffed doll fight. I think we should have that again. Have a wonderful birthday.
Hi Komu. A very happy birthday. Memories nedutha namakku nariya memories irukku. Right from Trivandrum summer vacation time or Tiruchendoorla movie ponadhu or Chennai la neenga irukumbodhu malls ponadhu, Saravana Bhavan ponadhu, ellame nariya memories irukku. And I know you are a very strong person. At the same time, you know how to make people happy, right? So continue to do that.
Happy birthday, Komu. I think you have the most wonderful, beautiful smile ever, and you make the place so lively and lovely. So continue to do that. Have a wonderful birthday. I think we should really meet soon. I seem to miss you every time you leave and every time we meet. Have a wonderful year. We'll catch up with you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday Komate. We love you and miss you. Once again, happy birthday.
Gomu, wish you a very happy birthday. Many returns of the day. May God bless you. Birthday എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും സ്നേഹത്തോടെ നേരുന്നു. Take care. Long live with happiness and joy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Gomati Mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Gomati Mami. Enjoy your day. Wishes and blessings from all of us. Dhanush, say
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday.
enjoy
God
your day.
bless you.
Enjoy your day.
Get gifts from Anand Narayan on behalf of us. Enjoy your day.
Hi Goma auntie. Hi Gomati.
Hi, good birthday wale auntie. How are you? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Goma auntie. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gomati.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gomu Mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gomu.
Happy birthday, Gomu.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gomu Mami.
Happy birthday, Gomti Chitti.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Gomu.
சித்தி எப்படி இருக்கீள்? சௌக்கியமா இருக்கீளோ?
எப்ப வரேள் மும்பை?
அது வர மாட்டேன். நோ.
चलो enjoy. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Gomuma. Happy birthday to you. இல்லை நான் வருங்கப்பா, இதான் எங்களோட காஃபி குடிக்கிற ஏரியா, புரிஞ்சிச்சா? ஓகே.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே கோமோ. எப்படியும் 33 வயசுன்னு தான் சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்க போகிற காலத்துக்கும் அப்படியாவே இருக்கட்டும். ஹாப்பி 33rd இயர். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. ஓகேவா? ஸ்டே யங், ஸ்டே பிளஸ்ட் அண்ட் கீப் ஸ்மைலிங். ஓகே.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டேக்கா. ஸ்டே பாசிட்டிவ். எப்பயும் போல் ஹாப்பியாக இருங்க, யங்காக இருங்க, பி சேஃப்.
ஓகே.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே கோமு. இன்று போல் என்றும் எல்லாம் ஹாப்பியாக சந்தோஷமாக எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருங்க. ஓகே, டேக் கேர்.
Hi Gomu. எப்படி இருக்க? Hope you're having a great day. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Have a blast. Bye.
Hi Gomu.
Hi Gomu, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Gomu. ஆனந்த் அண்ணா வந்து உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச மாதிரி ஒரு வீடியோ பண்ணுங்க அனுப்ப சொன்னாரு. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச மாதிரி. உங்களுக்கு தான் ஊர் சுத்த ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் கோமு. அதனால உங்க சார்பில் நாங்கள் வந்து ஊர் சுற்றி இந்த லொக்கேஷன்ல வந்து வீடியோ எடுத்து அனுப்பணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு வீடியோ எடுத்து அனுப்புறோம். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே.
Nature is also
விஷிங் யூ. பிளஸிங் யூ. மாப்பிள்ள இங்கிலீஷாக சூப்பராக பேசுவோம்.
பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். விஷிங் ஏ வெரி வெரி ஹாப்பி அண்ட் ஃபன்ஃபில்டு பர்த்டே. பாய்.
Happy birthday, Gomu.
Happy birthday, Gomu.
Happy birthday Gomu.
Hey Amma, here we reached the end of the video and hope you like this, and thank you to all those lovely people who put their effort to make this video happen. I know we've been acting really weird lately. Well, this is what we've been doing so far. Thank you so much for everything you've done to me, Amma. You're not a mother, you're more like a friend to me, and you can just change my frown into smile within seconds, and you deserve more than my kisses, hugs and affection, love. Love you so much, Amma. Have a beautiful birthday, and we didn't have Rishi here because you know why, and happy birthday from him as well. Bye.